Shippo is a versatile shipping software that helps e-commerce businesses streamline their shipping processes. Here's how to use Shippo effectively. Create a Shippo account. Go to Shippo and sign up for an account. You can start with the free plan, which is ideal for small businesses. Connect your store. Integrate your e-commerce platform with Shippo. Navigate to the integration section and follow the prompts to connect your store. Add shipping settings. In your Shippo dashboard, configure your shipping preferences. Set your default shipping options, including carriers, package dimensions, and weight. Create shipping labels. To create a shipping label, select an order from your connected store. Enter the recipient's address, choose the shipping carrier, and review the available rates. Once selected, click Buy Label to generate it. Print labels. After purchasing, you can print the shipping labels directly from the Shippo dashboard or save them as PDFs for later use. Track shipments. Shippo provides tracking information for your shipments. You can share tracking numbers with your customers through automated emails.